Right, good morning and welcome to Pokupan Stand here on YouTube. Minyabote Chichi Munra. Subscribe to the account. Pokupan Stand, Obed TV, I rebranded no, and Pokupan Stand. Nti account na your friend is Obed TV na. And I access account ni rebranded no, and Pokupan Stand. They say Obed TV nankasa edin will be used for a different content elsewhere. But ahano na first baby Asante Kotoko news na near friend is Obed TV. Na no na yes din I na Pokupan Stand. Pokupan Stand because be pure Kotoko news. Nti aka Pokupan Stand na no ade so pure Kotoko. Nti pure Kotoko news. Pokupan ye Kotoko aboa no. And understand baby awoko gina ne ho nsem ne ho nyoma nyina obenya. And that is why Obed TV, rebranded no, me a friend of Pokupan Stand. Obed TV will be a different account which will be used for something else. It is all Kotoko news, pure Kotoko there. You watch the videos. I have close to, per the last data, I'm 65% of the viewers of Obed TV and rebranding I am Pokupan Stand. No, you will have video but I'm unsubscribe it. They say na say me kaka mo me de be boso me kaka say subscribe because one here e be do be me mo boss search engine mo search say Obed TV na ma be have video ho no Obed bo no e de kwa copy account foforo nti na me say subscribe no ya say na de bia na sa turn notification bell on say na de bia no enya afi na wo ko search na wakọ akọ e be de ho dada na okọ wanim na aboa ma odwumadie no bia so no aye kama this is Pokupan Stand with Obed. Still, in-depth Kotoko news na near the airbrem. Me sure senti ase na you me the bosume bomb nkra na after 1 month bosume we the bomb nkra March na edin no it is we kra logo na sesa logo no adane Pokupan Stand and a banner no ya na Pokupan Stand by edin no eni enya sesa na the 1 month promo after 1 month it will change to Pokupan Stand. Na Obed TV no so started as a different name in a different account with different kind of content. And I must be brilliant concept no. My mom update no back to back. Man back to back. Na ama bibia etimi akoyi. Galka ena officially oma confirm so Kumase Asante Kotoko ebebo the president cap against Asek Memusa. One Asek ena edebe hyehyɛ na se ohwɛ nkomodidie no mu dia na kyerɛ sɛ omo peke team wa the president of Ghana or support which is Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo the team Asante Kotoko no omo peke ena omo peke a foreign team ba ho edeka in this case omo peke Asek Memusa nti president kapa eba so ten na no na nhihia hodo ewo mu no a metimi di amawo na mede mawo edikan as at now impeding plans which is Galka omo plan here say a frigate na omo bebie on that day a frigate and omo bebie but then there was a suggestion say Galka enka omo njiji skakra na omo fanko support to the Hill Confanochi project but for now a frigate for Kotoko versus Asek Memusa 2. The next thing no say the game will be aired on DSTV. Now in Pennyfonse share say 4 secondary schools in the Asante region because Kotoko no only Asek number started around 4 p.m. But ebimbe bubwa in Tianopano 4 secondary schools in Asante region for now. They've settled on Prempe, Owas and Amas. Somebody another team home. Prempe, Owas, Amas. They've settled on these teams. Say omode omobeshim na omoso abobi. Dianopa number boss are 4 secondary schools no. We are number 4 university halls. So matches. So there will be 4 halls at one university. Omobe peke na omoso abo after SS4 number ball. Then we are Kotoko ne Asek match no etimi abaso in honor of the president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Enya no pe the reigning artist of the year in the shape of a year Blacko, Black Sharif. As I say, baby Abe Fabiano, a woto season. Tear them down into pieces. That's what I say. Follow me, talk your gibberish. Koku, I never listen. My wingman say pim 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 pim. So we online, we are pim pim. Sabran tiero. Woto no. Na desana samaba. We go talk say kwa kumusama. It is over me but it's a nice song. And I'm saying crown or the bakwaba. January is 2004. So Blacko will be on the screens and I will be at the stadium. In Tiabano say or the wutu no ne baba. Ebra Kotoko Emma say wutu ana na say or the Kwaku from Pong at the assembly bano or the no and a bureau stage and what you say the boy no or say ho or manual no a flow. Mon fan cheme, it do baby representation should not be rigid. Say a strong. As a mema freestyle we cry so we could chakra the akoto baby. So yeah, that is it. Blacko will be there. Nah, come the Asaka boys no so can one kanya bado. I'm on for hey, I say, Obed, I'm your money, I'm a fan of music. I listen to music. I do a tournament to Daddy Lumba, a tournament to Damriku, which is one of the best gospel that I listen to. You'll be amazed. Until the Oto man is coming live at the Baba Sports Stadium for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Confirmed. That is what a DAO, because President Carpo there, from the presidency is part of the organizers. So the presidency being part of the organizers, now easier to get key people to come on board. Senka presidency in Kaho do baby but say presidency Kahoyana Untiminka se won't prepare for me. Now, what do you think about this plan? Is it something that can create a wonderful atmosphere? Into the investee, the youth, which is the SHS, investee youth, and the entertainment aspect and some of football aspect, and one kasaba so with Asante Kotoko versus Asek Momusa, and also maybe Chirimu Ediama. It will be wonderful, Asante Kotoko still playing in the FA Cup, still a contender in the Ghana Premier League. Ombetimi abomodin na omatoaso maybe a president cup on the account. Maybe an kebe season maybe a trophies 3 esi Kotoko anima on saying kanye bad kra anka ebe kama part 2. Let me go to the other news. The Adakoja project is moving, but I'll be honest, it's not moving in the pace the movie a panel. And report after I made some calls to certain sources. They are still working, but the pace, GDS and also ask helpful from. On Senka says a try almost 1 month too. But the pace of the project in here, I know most of you are going to request for pictures. It will definitely come. Now let me just wrap this up. Now with Imoro Ibrahim. Now Imoro Ibrahim and now story of what me dem on here say. Me can be catch them say contract in good. My catcher say on signing and as I then run on say I me pay. As I then run 9:20. No, it was around 9:40. I want to be specific, Kaka. 9:48. Yes, 9:48. When me speaking to my source, Imoro Ibrahim and signing a contract. Now I'm signing. They say, as of now, Kotoko are proposing a salary of 10,000 Ghana cedis to Imoro Ibrahim. That is sources close to Imoro Ibrahim. Oma intercepted their money. 10,000 Ghana cedis. Now, people close to Imoro Ibrahim, the godfather, one godfather, may pass it through as a source. Emma Minyan and say Imoro onya around 15,000 anka ope. Now I can officially confirm it to you through my sources. Sir Imoro Ibrahim are packing the bag and then in Nyoma I ready. Chain said deal no the lawyers and ne Kotoko be no ababebo. General response from Imoro camp by Kotoko. Salary proposed from Kotoko 10,000. Initially it was 8,000 and I Kotoko page muko 10,000. But Imoro response no I mean intercept or pay around 15,000 Ghana cedis as the salary. So now the gap a 5,000 Ghana cedis gap between Imoro and Tima Yefena Asante Kotoko. No air story share that but the player is ready. We are packing the bag in your menu. If a hono ntiasie bit me adwuma pe. Don't be surprised to see Imoro at the training grounds of Asante Kotoko any moment from now. And we dey free about them. And now Imoro's option Asante Kotoko as that enra na meeting komono. As that enra na meeting komono option Asante Kotoko. Say ababe dru sikasem penifo eka. Penny ene de waje so obebo, but sikasem no se ntiase be ye adwuma no, ntiase nya ye adwuma pe. Na adwuma de na si na abrante na eba ababisi akan ede ama Asante Kotoko nti on agree so be medicals and on sign a contract, but it's a 2-year contract. Me de ma me catch them. So the negotiations between Asante Kotoko lawyers and a company for will still continue today. And let's hope so Obed me finalizing Yoma. Now finalizing Yoma, Imoro will come and play for Asante Kotoko. But apart from the Imoro story, the Woto man, the sheriff, yes, the sheriff man, tearing them down into pieces. Tear them down to pieces. This is the Porcupine stand with Obed. And then untenya mama freestyle kakado mama ninja. So I'll be giving you the stories. But again, that GHC project. The last time I'm sparky now, but keka on some kakano. I had so many calls to calm down. To steady yenim penifo na ye jom ka asem asieti. So from then, ka asem hit on sa asem na manka bi ma ebesine. Manka bi ma ebesine. Mesremo. Yempese yebesa abeka bi. Nti ene bom koko. Monka mo ho hye. Monka mo ho hye. Na de free ho ba no, enye de enika. E ma mo mbeye se Obed no, enye Obed no. Monka mo ho hye. Na mama project in influence them kakra esremo because something that a dakot kwetita for akomaso a doma komaso pa nti whoever is in charge please speed up the process neme bibia nkoyi ebe share enumre Porcupine stand with Obed. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.